Today, we've got the new Yokohama X-AT in the warehouse. This tyre isn't even released yet, so stick with me and we'll have a closer look at it. G'day. Today in the warehouse, we've got the Yokohama X-AT, and I'm excited because this tyre has not even been released yet around the world. It's being released on the 1st of August, and we're probably some of the first people to actually have the tyre and to be able to even see the tyre. They call it an X-AT, so it's one of those increasing breed of tyres that are becoming available that is not an all-terrain, it's not a mud terrain, but it's got characteristics of both. So it's got maybe the comfort and low noise of an all-terrain tyre, but it's also got the aggressiveness and maybe the durability of a mud terrain tyre, or somewhere in between. I'm actually really interested to see how this tyre goes. Let's just take a quick look at the details of the tyre. So one of the first things you notice with this tyre is that it's actually got two different sidewall patterns. So it's got these ones here which look a little bit like daggers, and they're pretty aggressive, and they say that's going to help with traction. And then these ones on the other side are more sort of up and down. So depending on the look that you want for your car, you can actually have your choice of sidewall. Let's have a look at the tread face. This is where the X-AT is really quite different from a regular all-terrain, in that it actually has these significantly deeper gaps that are going to help get all that mud and sand and crap out from the tyre and help it keep gripping. Significant spacing on the shoulder blocks, and even significant spacing all the way through the actual tread pattern itself. In terms of noise blocking, Yokohama have actually said that this zigzag groove is actually going to help with keeping the noise down as well, because remember, this is a pretty aggressive tyre. So keeping that noise down is a really important thing for both the longevity of the tyre in terms of how long you actually want to keep it on there, and also for mental, so it's not so freaking noisy. Yokohama also say that basically they've built into this tyre improved puncture resistance. So they've built in extra sidewall pliers than you would normally get on a regular all-terrain tyre. And they've also got a full nylon cap in here, so it's actually going to be less likely to get punctures. They've built in some stone ejector technology as well. They've also got this varied length blocks, which they say are going to be more likely to be able to cut into the terrain. So you're less likely to lose that grip as you're actually driving off-road. So these are the new Yokohama X-AT, and these will actually be going on the Tyre Review Test Ford Ranger for the next 10,000 Ks or so. And that's actually me who's going to be driving that one. So I'm really interested to see how they go, both on the road, off the road, with the family. The suspension in the Ranger is a bit hard, so we'll see if the comfort factor's up there. But we'll report back in 10,000 Ks. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. We're putting them out once every couple of weeks. Oh, and the cameraman signaling to me, don't forget to hit the little bell button as well so you get notified when a video's come up. Thank you.